Hello everyone, and welcome back to 3P360 Training. In this video, we will be showing you how to access your current inventory report. Let's get started. Once you've logged in, you will automatically be taken to the Products tab. From here, you will select Reporting, and from the drop-down, you will select Inventory. Once on the inventory page, you will be presented with two options in which you can view your current inventory. The color-coded graph will show you a total of on-hand products according to the categories listed below. Beneath the graph, you will be presented with a more thorough and detailed table which contains a breakdown of your inventory by SKU and product name, along with the categories listed above. One thing to keep in mind when viewing this table: the category titled Total On Hand at MPV FBA is under Our, meaning Marketplace Valet's, account. So if you are selling through your own Amazon seller account, nothing will show in this column. If you wish to download your current inventory report, you can do so by selecting the dashboard controls in the top right-hand corner and then selecting Download. Thank you for watching. We hope that this helps. See you next time.